When we're shopping, we often notice an interesting phenomenon, where stores are located in the same area, but some are bustling with people, while the others are almost deserted. Why is that? One reason for this is the information gap. Quite often, we are unable to identify this gap with our bare eyes. That's why we need dual eyes, where invisible information instantly transforms into valuable insights, gradually shaping business strategies. Created by the team that won the Red Dot Design Award and the IF Design Award, we present to you the new Milesight VS125, the AI Stereo Vision People Counter. It uses AI and RGB technology. It comes with dual cameras, offers a wide array of connectivity options, and it also supports multiple interfaces. Completing the puzzle for Milesight's VS series, it captures 3 most crucial information for retail stores, with its incredibly high accuracy and attribute recognition. First, foot traffic. By just drawing a few lines, you'll be able to see how powerful the bidirectional counting of VS125 is. It does regional counting, group counting, U-turn filtering, allows its accuracy to reach up to 99.8%. With the zero lux counting, VS125 excels regardlessly day or night, making it perfect even in low light areas like nightclubs. And the collected data can be viewed in real time on management interfaces. For the record, it supports up to 1 million records of data storage. Second, customer behavior. What do customers do after entering the store? Let VS125 tell you. By setting up detection areas with the VS125, you can easily identify where customers spend most of their time. This allows you to strategically place shelves or advertisements in areas with high customer traffic, optimizing your store layout and enhancing customer engagement. Third, attribute recognition. The VS125 doesn't just count people. It can distinguish gender, expressions, even differentiate children, adults, and staff. You might be worried about privacy, but no worries. The preview modes obscure or completely withhold image information to maintain anonymity. And to make changes to the preview mode settings, the device has to be rebooted. The VS125 isn't just limited to retail. It's perfect for various indoor scenarios that you can think of, especially smart buildings. Its functionality is so powerful. Managing VS125 is also made easy with Milesight Device Hub and development platform. It supports HTTPS, MQTT protocols, and APIs for data transmission. And you can customize the content and notification methods of push notifications, which makes it easy to integrate with your platforms. It can also be easily installed, where you can have the options between ceiling mounting and bracket mounting. It supports installation heights from 2.2 meters to 6 meters high, making it adaptable to various scenarios. Well, if you're concerned with having a big area, it also supports up to 8 device stitching for a wider coverage. In a nutshell, VS125 makes sensing a reality. Until today, there are more than 1,000 Milesight people counting sensors have been deployed in over 500 retail stores across Europe to enhance business and operations. Involving technology means completing the puzzle. Through the eyes of the VS125, you'll be able to see the footprints and shadows behind the steps, uncovering insights that you really need. That's it for this video. Thank you so much for staying till the end. If you like this video, don't forget to give us a like and subscribe. And if you have any questions, you can leave them in the comments down below, and we'll see you next time.